How to install the Kaelen custom motorized curtain track. Step 1. Check the accessories. Please make sure all parts are included. Step 2. Check the track before installation. Attach the motor to the track. Connect the cord, then turn on the power. Step 3. Insert the battery into the remote control to make it operable. Step 4. Press the button on the motor. Then press the button on the remote control to pair the motor and the remote. Press the open and close buttons on the remote to make sure the track works properly. Confirm the installation position on the track, then attach the ceiling-mounted brackets to the track. Mark the installation positions, drill the holes, and mount the tracks on the wall. Confirm the installation position on the track, then attach the ceiling-mounted brackets to the track. Mark the installation positions, drill the holes, and mount the wall brackets. Connect the ceiling bracket. Combine track to the wall bracket using screws. Then secure it by tightening the nuts.